In the era of cluttered news screens, Zee News stands out as a beacon of trust. A platform for unbiased news. Zee News.
वाइब है जो इस शहर की उसको हम पहचाने, दिल के रिदम पे थिरके कदम जो वो म्यूजिक हम जाने, तेरे साथ है on the go जैसे धड़कन होती grow, ट्यूनिंग अपनी इतनी स्मूथ जैसे वेन्स में ब्लड का फ्लो। रेडियो सिटी, रेडियो सिटी, रेडियो सिटी,
रेडियो सिटी, रग रग में दौड़े सिटी।
Khushi Advertising is a specialist in cinema advertising, mall branding and airport advertising. We are effective because we offer higher recall value,
Put the volume low.
numerous
please,
touch point options,
Audio, put the
targeted
volume low.
spends that
Audio.
eliminate wastage. Welcome to
Everyone in front of the stage, kindly please clear out. Everyone in front of the stage, kindly please clear out. We want to start the press conference. We cannot start till every single person is cleared out from front of stage.
The voice of India, Shreya Ghoshal. Singers and composers, Sachin Jigar. श्रेया, हेलो, कैसी हैं आप?
हेलो, बहुत बढ़िया हूँ, थैंक यू।
भारत, the world, everyone really, really wants to see you on stage perform. आइफा आपके दिल के बहुत करीब है. Tell us of your experience with आइफा and what's in store for us from you.
मतलब मुझे इतनी खुशी है पहले तो कि आइफा इस बार राजस्थान में हो रहा है। मेरे लिए फुल सर्कल है, मैं राजस्थान में पली बड़ी हूँ और मेरा पूरा बचपन राजस्थान में बीता है, कोटा में, और जयपुर से भी रिलेशन रहा है और इसको 25 साल हो रहे हैं इस बार आइफा को। सो दिस वे आई मीन इट्स ऑलमोस्ट 25 years ऑफ माई करियर एज वेल। सो आई डोंट नो हाउ better it could have been. It's like in every sense the most perfect occasion to be here, and also happy to be performing for our beautiful Rajasthan and our audiences, and just very honored, and there are nominations also. तो मतलब खुशी का ठिकाना नहीं है और बहुत बहुत humbled हूँ मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। Thank you.
देखिए, जयपुर आए हैं, अगर आप 2-3 लाइनें आज नहीं गाएंगी ना तो बहुत डांटेंगे और फैंस और ऑडियंसेस। तो 2-3 लाइनें हो जाए हमारे जयपुर के मीडिया के लिए, इंडिया के मीडिया के लिए। प्लीज श्रेया, कम ऑन, हु वांट्स टू हियर श्रेया सिंग नाउ?
क्या गाऊँ? अच्छा, साइबो गाऊँ? अच्छा, आप परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहे हो आज वो? साइबो भी बहुत खूब। मनिए साहिब जी जाने हैं सब जी, फिर भी बनाए बहाने, धीरे धीरे नैनों को धीरे धीरे, जिया को धीरे धीरे, भाइयों रे साइबो।
Thank you, Shreya. Thank you.
And again, to all the women, happy Women's Day. It's such a wonderful day today. मतलब हम कितने ओकेशंस एक साथ सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं। तो मेरा एक लापता लेडीज़ का गाना है जो भी नॉमिनेटेड है और मुझे लगा कि मैं थोड़ा सा वो गुनगुना दूँ आप सभी के लिए। हो कल को करके सलाम, आंचल हवाओं का थाम, देखो उड़ी एक धानी चुनरिया हो, धीमे धीमे चले पुरवैया हो, बोले थाम तो मेरी पैया। शुक्रिया।
Thank you so much. Always a fan. Lots of love and respect. Nora, you're always fire on stage.
Thank you.
But before we got Happy Women's Day, Nora.
Happy Women's Day to all the women in the world.
Absolutely. So, we know Your energy on stage is infectious, but the energy of Jaipur is as infectious as yours. I'm sure you're so happy to be in Rajasthan.
Of course, I'm very, very happy. Actually, I'm very ecstatic. I saw the stage last night. It looks incredible. It's going to be insane. The energy is crazy. I met a couple of people outside who are super excited to watch everyone perform. And everyone is just so happy that we're all here to celebrate IFA, to celebrate Hindi cinema, Bollywood, and all that glam that comes with it.
Wow, so you've given us a sneak peek on the stage, which we're going to be feeling for the next 2 days. It's always grand with IFA. Sachin Jigar, give it up. Wow, the formidable force. Bhai, आप परफॉर्म करें आप दोनों कुछ बता सकते हो क्या होगा स्टेज में क्या ट्रिक्स है आपके जो हम पहले नहीं देखे पर यहाँ आईफा में ज़रूर देखेंगे आप दोनों से
Siddharth, firstly I'd just like to say a hi, hello, namaste to all my seniors. We are pretty new to this, but this is such a legacy and super proud to be here. Also want to wish happy Women's Day to all the ladies in the room. देखिए इतना ज़रूर कह सकता हूँ कि सचिन जिगर as a team we have always believed in folk and folk music is such a integral part of every tune we made and cannot be more happy that IFA is happening in Jaipur and that's why we've got a special Jaipur tadka to our set. It's Rajasthani in bits and of course there has to be when it's music, it's got to be melodious, but at the same time, foot tapping. So, super excited to be here.
You've already told us, but भाई गाना तो मैं गाना आने वाला हूँ, पर उससे पहले.
बिल्कुल. तो we've been, waiting to perform at a award function with IFA, but we always thought that हमारे पास उतना body of work हो कि हम इस stage को justify कर पाए. Last 2 years, 3 years have given us a lot of love from the audience and today we have those songs. Can't thank Shreya Didi more for always encouraging us. Thank you Didi, thank you so much. And today also she's just reminded that our very first Yash Raj song was a song that was based in Jaipur. It was called Gulabi. Yes. शहर गुलाबी पहर गुलाबी है गुलाबी ये शहर मैं भी गुलाबी तू है गुलाबी दिन भी गुलाबी है गुलाबी ये शहर. So yeah, we are very very excited and looking forward for all the good things. Karan sir is here, Kriti is here, Vijay bhai, everybody. Hi Karthik. And I am so glad that we are going to be performing our songs for you guys. Thank you.
Jigar, because it's Women's Day and I'm missing Amitabh Bhattacharya, who's a dear friend, and it reminds me of a few lines he wrote for one of our recent songs.
Yes.
It's from a song from the film Stree 2.
Yes.
And in the verse, it beautifully says, मेरे महबूब समझिए ज़रा मौके की नज़ाकत के खरीदी नहीं जा सकती हसीनों की इजाज़त. So that says it all. Happy Women's Day to all.
Thank you.
This is a beautiful photo op as well for all our 4 performers as well, please. Ladies and gentlemen, Nora, Sachin Jigar, Shreya Ghoshal. Wow, what a moment. Ladies, thank you so much. आप लोगों को बहुत वक्त मिलेगा बाकी फोटोज के लिए भी. Well, ladies and gentlemen, अब वक्त आ गया है for our IFA Digital Stars.